Hi everybody, it's me, the Airsoft Force here, and today I have another thing to review with you guys, and it will be this 511 backpack that I just bought. Okay, so I'm gonna use this a lot more once I get a HPA system for my drum mag, high kappa drum mag, and a tracer unit for my high kappa. But anyway, let's review this. So starting off with the back, it has only one strap on the back, which you can switch sides of where the latch is on. It starts off in the middle and then either connects to your left or right, and you just wear it like that. It does also come with this other pouch right here, which has Velcro on it for patches and stuff. And so if you want to put something on your shoulder, you can. I may not, but it's a pretty decent size. I think it can hold like one of those small waters. Maybe some ice packs, maybe some bandages, maybe. There's also another pouch like right behind your back. And this pouch actually has something in it. It has more straps and buckles in here. Don't know where my knife is, so I can't cut any of this stuff. Okay, some plastic that you can twist off on here. And plus I was airsofting today. Oh man, I was sweating like crazy. It's absolutely hot out. So these buckles, whatever they do, what do they look, it looks like you can, how do you do this? You need a, oh, I think I know. I think you put it on one of these straps and then shove it in. Okay, I see how that works. And then you have this. I'll connect that to my vest or belt later. Comes with a ton of tags on it. And there's another one like above the pouch, on your back side still. Doesn't come with anything in it. But maybe some bandages in there too. Maybe extra green gas. Oh no, like small cans of it, or CO2. And then we have this, the front one. So I don't know. So can my HPA tank? Yeah, my HPA, or barely. It can probably fit some HPA tank. Or actually, that's good enough since I do need it open a little to have all the regulator and hose coming out. So maybe this one. But in here, you come with pouches, more pouches, and that's basically it. And then there's Velcro on the back, 511 logo. And then, oh wow, you can you can pull the top out, not the whole like backside out, and you get this thing, whatever. Maybe I put my don't know what you would put in there, but it's basically just a pouch. Nothing special about it. Now let's move on this big one. Okay, this folds the whole backpack in half. You get on. Let's do the back side first. You get some sort of dump pouch type thing. It's made out of the same material. I don't know what material it's called. It's like the fabric that tents use, or something similar. Then you get 2 pouches. Another side, maybe band-aids or bandages, like I said, or maybe you can store. Let's see. Can it store green? Can this? It can fit that. Let's see how much green gas I can fit. I only have 3 cans, which should be more than enough. Green gas, and then I can also put my all-purpose pouch on the back, or on here, or maybe just get rid of it since I don't need it for this. Or actually I might be able to. No, I think I'll put my HPA tank in here. Close it up, only having the threads coming out, so and the regulator coming out, and then extra green gas in here. What else should I put in here? I'll figure it out later. But green gas, maybe tracer BBs. Maybe, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah. It's nice and comfortable. Now I really want to find a way to put this backpack on the back of my vest, which I may find out with these. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.